Hello everyone, welcome to Fixmaster. In today's video, I will show you how to create channel in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First things first, open WhatsApp in your iPhone and make sure that your account is logged in. Once WhatsApp is open, click on the bottom right Updates option. In the Updates section, you will find two types of feature. The section in the above is Status section, and the one in the below is Channel section. You will also see channels at the bottom. To create a channel, click on the plus button. It will show you two options. One of them is Find Channels, and the second one is Create Channels. Click on Create Channels. It will tell you about WhatsApp channels. You can read it if you want to. After reading it, click on Continue. Then create your channel name. You can also add picture of your channel by clicking on the Edit button, and then add your picture. You can also write description of your channel. After customizing, click on Create Channel. As you can see, my channel is created. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.